This is add-on 1 of the cloud pattern. It is a fun repeating spider pattern, which can be used on its own just as practice or for other projects, but it is measured so that it lines up along the bottom of the cloud. I made the cloud on my cookie pillow and I transferred this over to my bolster pillow, but of course you can do it however you like and whichever way works for you. How you attach your pairs along the bottom here is with a mini latch hook tool. So for example, you take out your pin, you bring your latch hook tool through, or a crochet hook, or whatever you have. Bring it through. And you can bring one through or both of your bobbins through the loop that you've made. And then replace your pin and just pay attention to the numbers along the top and how many you need to add. I'll be back when I have all of my pairs added and we'll talk about how to start the pattern. Okay, I'm ready to get started working on the pattern. I wanted to start on the edge here. You can kind of start anywhere, but I wanted to start on the edge so I can show you what it looks like with the first spider and how I'm working the edge. So starting on the first spider, you need one pair at the top. We've got 2 pairs here. Grab the pair on the right, twist, twist, and the pair that you're going to work next to it, twist, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross to close, twist, twist, grab the next pair up here, twist, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross to close. I'm going to keep this out of the way a little bit. And with the 2 pairs that are on the outside edge, I'm going to chain stitch down. Chain stitch is repeating cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, and I'm tensioning so that it's nice and tight, and it'll give the edge, it'll be a little bit sturdier. And then I'm going to take this pair, twist, twist, and work it through cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, tension, 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 twist, and pin, and work it back, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. The reason I'm doing it with a thicker border is because I'm going to be making a scarf, and you can absolutely make it the border with just 1 pair if you want. So here we go. I'm going to hold my 2 edge pairs off to the side and out of my way, and then I can make my way to the next part. So we're going to twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, tension, cross, twist, cross to close, twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross to close, and we need this one to work its way down so that we can finish this edge here. So let me get these lined up. Twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross, twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross, twist, 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 cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross to close. I'm going to hold this out of my way. And for my spider, I'm going to twist, 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 and twist the 4 pairs of legs. If you're unfamiliar with spiders, these pairs are working across those pairs, and then we pin. So make sure they all have a twist again. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, tension, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, and now we work the 4 pairs back. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. We give all the spider legs a twist again, and then we can close the spider. Twist, twist, cross, twist, cross. Tension, tension, cross, twist, cross to close. So on the borders of the spider, I'm doing twist, twist, and within the spider, I'm giving the spider legs just 1 twist. Cross, twist, cross. But you can twist it more times if you want, or not at all. Cross, twist, cross to close. Twist, twist. Spider leg needs a twist. Cross, twist, cross. Pin. Cross, twist, cross to close. Twist, twist. Cross, twist, cross. Pin. Cross, twist, cross to close. Twist, twist. Let's see. Twist, twist, cross, twist, cross. Pin. Cross, twist, cross to close. Let me hold these out of my way. And now, what I'm doing here along the edge to make this border edge is, this is twist, twist, and this is also twist, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, cross, twist, cross to close. Ooh, I lost a bobbin. Move that out of my way. And now, because this is a longer bit, I can do twist, 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 and then twist, twist, cross, twist, cross. Pin, cross, twist, cross to close. And this outside edge, I'm going to chain stitch down. So cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross. And this bit here, twist, twist, and then work it all the way through both pairs. Cross, twist, cross. Twist on the outside edge. Place your pin. Cross, twist, cross. Cross, twist, cross, back. And hold my outside edge pairs out of the way. And now we're ready to start up at the next row. If you want to make your lace even longer than the 1 page of the pattern, so look at, this is the start of the pattern. Flip your pattern upside down and trim it along the bottom edge, and it matches along the bottom. So all you have to do is match it up, put a little bit of tape on, and then you can keep working. A pretty way to end your piece is to tie knots all along the edge and then cut a fringe border. So remember, when you tie your knots, you want to tie the first time with one of the threads on top and the second time with another thread, with the other thread on top, so that you're getting a knot in both directions. And so you can do that all the way along the edge and then cut a fringe. Okay, if you would like to use the pattern without attaching the cloud across the top, there's two ways that you can start. Let me show you the first way, where we create a straight edge all the way across the top. So this last line all the way down, we're creating a chain, and we're going to create a chain all the way across the top as well, and turn the corner and continue the chain. So instead of hanging just 2 pairs here to begin, we're going to hang 4 pairs. And how I want to begin this is I'm going to work these 4 across. So I'm just passing them through each other here, and it helps secure them a little bit on that first pin. Okay, so now what I'm looking at is I have these 4 threads, and these 4 will be used to create this chain all the way down along this edge, and these 4 I'll be using to create the chain all the way across the top. So I can start, and I'm just doing cross twist, cross twist, cross twist. When I get to that first pin, I'm going to pin underneath and grab my first pair. So this pair here is going to be the pair that I use for this line, and I need to hang it and twist, work it through the 2 pairs, the 4 threads, and then leave that off to the side, and that just helps attach it. I need 2 pairs here hanging down because the second pair is this line. So I grab my next pair, hang it here, twist, and work it through those 4 that are working their way across. And now those are attached. And I can keep making a chain, cross twist, cross twist, cross twist, however many times I think makes sense. And then I can keep hanging down my pairs. This is I'm going to make a chain all the way across, and these 4 will then work their way down here along the edge. If you would like to start without the cloud and have the end be this zigzag, all you need to do is just ignore these ones in the middle, and so you want to ignore these, and you'll start at the top of each of the spiders and work your way down. So let me show you what that would look like. So it doesn't matter where you start. I'll just start here on any spider. Pair 1, twist, pair 2, twist, cross, twist, cross, to secure them together, and then twist, twist, and pin, twist, twist, and pin, My next pair, twist. They both have a twist, cross, twist, cross. And now I have this thread, excuse me, to work down, twist, twist, pin, twist. Next pair, twist, cross, twist, cross. You see I have this pair, twist, twist, pin, go over to the other side, twist, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, twist, pin, twist, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, twist, pin, twist. You can do that all the way across, and on the edges here, add an additional pair so that you have your chains to work down. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you have fun experimenting with the add-on one rain pattern. I can't wait to see what you create. Please tag me on Instagram or wherever you post your finished pieces, and I can't wait to see the colors you use and what you're working on, and have fun.